Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be learning how to cut and sew this beautiful gown, and this gown has about 6 pieces of ruffle as seen in this video. You can see it for yourself. The gown is a backless gown, and please you guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Support us by commenting, by sharing, by subscribing. Okay, thank you. So this is the back view. You're going to be learning step by step on how you can achieve this beautiful dress for yourself, for your customer, or for your ready-to-wear brand. Okay, so let's get to work. So without wasting much of your time, this is the pattern paper. So guys, this is a basic body pattern paper where I drafted for a gown. And if you want to learn how to draft a basic body pattern paper for a gown, check my channel. You see on my channel. And then it's just a normal basic body from my shoulder to my chest line, to my bust line, to my under bust, to my waist, and then to my hip line, and then the full length of this pattern paper. Okay, and also we are using the neckline of 3x3. Okay, so right about now we're going to be working on this pattern paper. So I'm just going to reduce the length of this pattern paper, and then I'll also work on the neckline. Okay, as you can see how the neckline is. So for the length, we're going to be using 33. So the length, I'm just going to go ahead and mark 33 on this pattern paper. Then I will go ahead and draw out my line just as seen in this video. Are you guys following? And then the next thing, I'm going to work on the neckline. And then on the neckline, I'm going to come down to 1 inch on your neck width. Come down to 1 inch, and I'm going to connect it to join my chest line just as seen in this video. You can take it to your bust line. I took mine to my bust line. You can stop as chest line depending on how you want. And so guys, after cutting the front pattern paper, we're just going to move ahead and start cutting the back piece. For the back piece, on your front pattern paper, you're going to fold in on your waistline, and then you're going to place it on another pattern paper, and then you're going to go up by 1 inch, and then you're going to go ahead and cut it out following your front pattern paper. You guys following? So this is it. I'm just going to go ahead. As you can see, it aligned with the front piece. I just went up by 1 inches because we're going to be fold in the back piece just to make sure that everything is equal after sewing it. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it on our main fabric. I'll go ahead and cut it, and you guys are going to see how we're going to be cutting it. So you guys, this is it. I've cut out my lining. So I reduced my lining by 1.5 inches on the front piece and on the back piece, just as seen in this video, because the lining is going to be shorter than the main fabric, the main dress. Are you guys following? So this is it. I also added 1.5 extra allowance on the hemline on the main pieces, just to avoid any shortness or anything. But at the end of this video, I also went ahead to cut it out, to trim it out, because I noticed it was very long. So you can make your own to be long, you can make your own to be short, but for mine I have to reduce it because the client wanted something very short. Okay, so guys, if you check the dress, you notice that the dress has a ruffle. So to cut it, we're going to cut it exactly the same way we used to cut our peplum top. So for me, that is the easiest way to cut your ruffle. You're going to fold it the way you used to fold your peplum skirt top. Like, you're going to just fold it like that, and then after you're done, you're going to go ahead and cut out the triangle part, and then from there you're going to go ahead and mark about 3 inches all around. You're going to cut about as many as you want. So when this one finishes, you're going to go ahead and fold it again like that, exactly the way you used to fold your peplum gown top. That is how you're going to fold your fabric to cut that ruffle. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut everything out off my camera, like I have already explained how you're going to cut it. So you're going to cut it like that. And if you don't know how to cut your peplum, please check my channel. I have plenty videos on how to cut your peplum circle skirt, or let me know in the comment section. I can refer you to the video. Okay, so guys, this is it. This is what it looks like. As you can see in this video, I'm just going to go ahead and open up the center because it's going to be long, like long. I don't know the length. I said you're going to cut as many as you want, so the length depending on you. So this is the first length. I'm going to go ahead and cut another one that I'm going to cut is going to be longer than this one. Okay, so guys, right about now we're going to learn how to sew our ruffle. So I've gone ahead to weave my ruffle the both side of my ruffle. And then this is our front pieces, our front dress. So what we're going to do on the neckline, we're going to come down to 2 inches on the neckline. You're going to use your chalk to mark it, and please make sure that your chalk is visible so that you can see how you're going to sew it. So I'm going to just place my ruffle on the 2 inch that I came down from the neckline, and then I will take it to our armhole depth as seen in this video. So the first one is going to go from the 2 inch that we came down, and then we're going to go to our armhole depth. And then the second ruffle is going to go from our armhole depth to our waistline, and then the third one is going to go from our waistline to our hip line, and then the last but not the least, for the front piece, is going to go from our hip line to the center like this, You guys can see it in this video. So this is exactly how you're going to place your ruffle. Please, if you don't understand, pause the video and go back and watch it so that you understand. I said the last one is from the waist to the center, and then this is it. I've gone ahead to stitch it down. You guys, to work with mesh fabric, I think it's very difficult. So because as I was sewing it, the thing was dragging the dress, was folding it. I don't know if it is from my sewing machine. So this is the back pieces. So for the back pieces, the first ruffle is going to go from the waistline to the hip, and then the second one is going to go from the hip to the center. The back is just 2 pieces of ruffle. So altogether we are using 6 pieces of ruffle. Are you guys following? Please, if you have any question, let me know. And this is the back pieces. I've gone ahead to finish my sewing the ruffle. So this is it. So the next thing, we're going to work on the lining. For the lining pieces, you're going to just go ahead and place it right side facing each other. On the back piece, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and stitch down the waistline, and then I will bring it back because we're going to turn it to the wrong side. Okay, and then just like that. The next thing is the front pieces. This is how you're going to sew your lining. You're going to place it like this, right side facing each other. The lining I'm using is a lycra lining because the dress is a mesh fabric. And then this is my rope. I have a rope that is going to go from the neck to the back, and then I have another one that is going to go from the armhole depth to the back on the both side. And that is, we need 4 pieces of strap here. So the length depending on you, like I will always say. So the first one, you're just going to put it on your neckline, and then the second one on your armhole depth, and then I'm going to take it to my sewing machine to stitch it down on the both sides just by 1/2 inch, and that is it for you guys. So when I'm done, we'll come back. I'll just turn it to the right side. Okay, are you guys following? So it is that simple. And if you have any question, let me know. And you guys, how are you guys doing? Thank you for watching my videos. And if you have watched it to this extent, please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment. Okay, I love you guys. So let's continue. So guys, we are done turning it with the lining. This is the lining part, and this is the one that is going to be on the outside, and this is the back piece. This is it. You guys can see how beautiful it is. So right about now, we're going to just start sewing the back piece and the front piece together. So you will need your pin to pin it down, just to make sure that it stays one place. So I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and stitch it down by 1 inch on the both side. I'll go ahead and finish it, and then I'll bring it back. So guys, this is our beautiful ruffle stylish chic gown. And guys, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you watch. And if you want us to make this beautiful dress for you, let us know in the comment section. We're going to make it for you. And if you want a bulk order, please let us know. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.